Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Colombia, and one of the most effective ways to fortify your home is by ensuring your windows are properly installed. Windows serve as both a source of natural light and ventilation, but can also be a vulnerable entry point for intruders if not installed securely. Proper window installation not only enhances security but also improves energy efficiency and overall home aesthetics. The importance of secure windows. Windows are a common target for break-ins, making their security a crucial factor in home protection. Poorly installed or old windows can be easily pried open, leaving your home exposed to potential burglars. Investing in high-quality windows and ensuring they are correctly installed can deter break-ins and provide peace of mind for you and your family. Key features of secure windows. When choosing windows for your home in Colombia, consider the following security features. Reinforced frames. Strong materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum enhance window durability and resistance to forceful entry. Impact-resistant glass. Laminated or tempered glass is much harder to break, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Multi-point locking systems. Traditional locks can be easily bypassed, whereas multi-point locking systems provide added protection by securing the window at multiple points. Window sensors and security film. Adding security film to glass and installing window sensors connected to your alarm system can provide extra layers of protection. Professional installation. Why it matters. Proper installation plays a crucial role in ensuring your windows function as an effective security barrier. Even the highest quality window will not provide adequate protection if installed incorrectly. Here are some reasons why professional installation is essential. Precise fit and seal. Windows need to be properly measured and installed to prevent gaps that could be exploited by intruders. Structural integrity. Professional installers ensure that windows are securely fastened to prevent easy removal. Compliance with local building codes. Colombia has specific building codes related to window installation and security features. Hiring professionals ensures compliance with these regulations. Energy efficiency. Properly installed windows help in maintaining insulation, reducing energy costs while enhancing security. Choosing the right window installation company in Colombia. Selecting the right window installation company is crucial for ensuring the safety and durability of your windows. Look for a company that offers experience and expertise. A reputable company with a history of quality window installations is essential. Licensed and insured services. Ensure the company meets all legal requirements and provides warranties on both materials and workmanship. Customer reviews and testimonials. Check online reviews and ask for references to gauge customer satisfaction. High-quality products. The best companies work with top manufacturers and offer energy-efficient and security-enhanced windows. Additional security measures. While proper window installation greatly improves home security, homeowners in Colombia can take additional steps to reinforce safety. Outdoor lighting. Well-lit exteriors discourage potential intruders from targeting your home. Security cameras. Installing surveillance cameras around your property acts as both a deterrent and a tool for identifying threats. Window bars or shutters. Decorative security bars or roll-down shutters add an extra layer of protection. Neighborhood Watch. Being part of a Neighborhood Watch program increases overall community security awareness. Final thought. Enhancing home security in Colombia begins with the right window installation. Investing in secure, high-quality windows and ensuring they are professionally installed can significantly reduce security risks while also improving your home's comfort and efficiency. If you're looking to upgrade your windows, choose a trusted window installation company to help you achieve both safety and style. Protect your home today by making the right choice in window installation, because security starts with strong windows.